Sight word kids. Level 1. A. Let's learn 3 words. Listen and repeat. Can, can. See, see. Jump, jump. Chant with me. Can, 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 can. See, 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 see. Jump, 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 jump. Let's read. Listen and repeat. I can see. I can see. I can jump. I can jump. I can see. I can see. I can jump. I can jump. Trace and say the word can. C, C. A, A. N, N. Can. C-A-N, can. Can you say it? Can. Trace and say the word see. S, S. E, 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 E. C, S-E-E-C. Can you say it? C. Trace and say the word jump. J, J. U, U. M, M. P, P. Jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Can you say it? Jump. Find the word can, can. C-A-N, can. Find the word see, see. S-E-E-C. Find the word jump, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Listen and choose. I can see. I can see. Ready? Go! I can see. Let's read. I can see. I can see. Listen and choose. I can jump. I can jump. Ready? Go! I can jump. Let's read. I can jump. I can jump. Listen and choose. I can eat. I can eat. Ready? Go! I can eat. Let's read. I can eat. I can eat. Let's answer. Spell the word and say it. Can. C-A-N. Can. See. S-E-E-C. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Congratulations! You did a great job. See you next time. Goodbye.